Hi guys, I am Viva. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a recipe which is traditional Bulgarian breakfast sandwich. It's called princess sandwich. It's very easy and I'm sure if you try it at home, you're gonna love it. If you want to see how I make princesses, keep on watching. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Enjoy!
Let's make princesses. Please disregard 1 teaspoon of milk. We will not be using milk today. I'm gonna start with the eggs and add the spices, half teaspoon of each. Savory, salt and paprika. And I'll be adding black pepper by taste. Now I'm gonna mix everything very well so the spices can spread evenly. I have about 7-8 ounces of ground meat. It's mixed 60% ground pork and 40% ground beef. Now I'm gonna make a mixture, nice mixture that will be easy to spread on the slices of bread. For today, my choice of bread is sourdough. However, you can choose any bread you like. This is about how the mixture should look. Now, when spreading the mix on the slices, press so the meat can kind of soak into the bread. And you can decide how thick or thin you want your princess sandwiches to be. I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees and I'll be baking the princesses for about 5 to 8 minutes. That depends on how you like your princesses, rare, medium, well done. I personally like my cheese to get nice golden brown color, so I bake them a little longer. We're spreading the cheese, shredding on the top. You can decide again how much cheese would you like on your princess sandwich. In the original princess sandwich, we use on the top shredded Bulgarian kashkaval cheese. Today I'm using Monterey Jack because it's very close to the Bulgarian kashkaval cheese and I like the taste very much. However, you can use any cheese that you like. If you decide to make this recipe, please let me know in the comments down below how you like it. I hope you enjoyed that video. See you next time. Bye!